Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna be talking about how you can use this tab called costumes. Costume tabs is basically used for creating your own character or making frames for your animations. So let's get started. I'm gonna be explain all these options here. So let's get this cursor icon. What is it called? Yes, it's called as cursor, and you can select and unselect your whole character by just clicking, left clicking, holding, and dragging over your character. And you can also select his leg, arms, piece by piece, like so. Yeah. Then the second option, make you can color it, but you can this is called a brush icon. You can color your characters by just doing this, like so. And if you want to change the brightness is actually the saturation, so you can just improve the saturation to 100 if you like max brightness. Yeah, and you can just like so. Yeah, and this bucket makes that was a brush, so you have to manually paint it, and this bucket makes the whole peak of what I don't know, like a tail, whole thing colored. You don't have to do anything. I made him whole cyan color, like blue color, blue cat. It looks a bit cuter. Okay, so and this is the line. Yeah, the line makes your you can know it by just remembering the name. It makes creates a line of any outline thickness as you can like. I'll make it to 10. Now it's a thick line. Now it's straight. And make squares, triangles with this. Now this is the square, square, no, the rectangle option. It's used to make an rectangle as big as you wish. Like so, I covered the whole canvas with this. And now, if you're thinking, how do I undo this or redo this? Just clicking this option makes you undo a step by step that you done. Clicking here, it removes the rectangle, and just clicking the redo button, the area appear. So as you can see, if I do click it enough times, my cat my cat will go to the normal form, as you can see. And now this is called the reshape icon, reshape option. It's basically in the name. You can reshape your characters by clicking this dot. As you can see, you can drag out his eyeballs and create the own. So yeah, then this is the delete button. Erase your character. So thinking, how do I improve the thickness? Just just clicking this down arrow button. Here, so it go down, and this text makes your type text on the canvas by just clicking on the canvas and selecting the text option, and you can change the font or handwriting. Like I'll just handwriting. As you can see, you can choose it to mark or curly. Curly looks the best, in my opinion. So yeah, and for the last option, for the circle, that is basically to draw a circle. can change the outline, improve the outline. I'll choose the color red because red is the best. Yeah, you can make cars with this. Okay, and yeah, if you're thinking what these all does, I'll explain it. Just wait a second. Let me bring back my cat. Yeah. So if you wait, let me pointer. And if you're thinking, why can't I remove his mouth or nose or his eyeballs? Because they're group, like they're joined together by this option called group. So we want to ungroup them by just picking first selecting the whole head and clicking the ungroup button. Now you can drag out his eyeballs, you can see whiskers and his mouth, also his nose, also his mouth, also his head, also other whiskers. And if you want to regroup them, just if you want to regroup them, just click the button regroup. And if you're thinking what this does the same as the copy paste button. Just go to a different costumes and select the whole character by using the point select option and just copy them. Then go to costume one and paste. Now the character from costume two is here, the costume one. Now if you're thinking how can I move them at once? Like you have to select the whole film just to move them. It's a bit annoying and time consuming. Like this, I picked the head by mistake, not the whole body, so I can mistakenly mess them up. So you can just first by select, then clicking the group button. Now you have don't have to do anything. They're like an object now. They're welded together. So you can just click on them and drag them whenever you. And if you think what it does what in the name. Flip horizontally makes your character flip horizontally. Flip vertically makes your character flip. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.